What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So I did a live yesterday. It'd probably be about a week or two back as to whenever that live was, as to when this video is up, because at the time we had no power and all that stuff, so I couldn't edit videos. And I showed this car on here. It is a 2006 Chevy Impala. Has 3.9. Only has 22,000 miles on it, like 22,711 to be exact. But we did an oil change on it, and I checked the front end on there, and it had a little bit of play in it, and noticed that it had bad tie rod ends. And then after driving it, it is making some horrible strut noise too. So what we're doing, we're changing struts and inner and outer tie rods. So I'm going to do two different videos. I'm going to do the struts in this video, and then I'll do the tie rods in the next video. That way we have two separate videos, and we don't have to try to cram it all into one and make it like a 50-minute video. But like I said, we got the struts in this one. Here is the strut. It's the only one they had in stock. It is a Master Pro. I'll go ahead and show you the number. 34GM1153. That is the whole assembly. So you're going to have three 15 millimeters up here on top, and then you're going to have two 21 nuts right here, and these right here are like just flat-sided head bolts. These are not like a regular style head bolt. It ain't a hex head or any of that, but these have just two flats on it, and you can hold it if you want to. But the way I'm going to do it is, once I take these off, I'm going to hammer it from this side and hammer it out. So I am filming on my phone, so I don't really have my tripod with me, so I can't set y'all up the greatest right now. But I'm just going to kind of show y'all a little bit, then bring you back, then show you and bring you back. Just kind of go back and forth. I know it's a little difficult doing it that way, but about the only way I can do it at the moment, because my camera is kind of trapped at my house right now due to the hurricane. But we don't have power or any of that still, but hopefully by the time this comes out, I should have power back on. But so what I'm going to start off by doing is I'm going to take these two nuts off. They are 21s. We're going to use an impact. Let me grab my impact and bring everything over here, and I'll kind of show me taking a lot of this stuff off for y'all. Like I was saying, 21 millimeters. I'm going to leave those on just a little bit, because I'm going to hammer those out with the hammer, because they are splined right in here. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. You can kind of see it separating right there. You can see the splines now that I got them hammered out. And I'm going to take these off. Of course, that one mushroomed more than I wanted it to. That one was in there tight. So all we're going to do, we're just going to kind of get a grinder and just kind of flatten that out and get that off. So let me go get a grinder, clean that up, and then we'll get these out. Then I'll bring you up top and show you how to pull off the bolts up there. And I'll bring you back and let you know what all the torque specs are as well. We're up top, and like I said, these are 15 millimeters, and these are lock nuts, so you're gonna have to thread them all the way off pretty much until they come off the top of the stud. Ooh, don't drop it, don't drop it. Of course it's gonna fall right there. So I just dropped that one. So I'm going to take all three of these off. If I can do it without dropping this one. And here's the last one. And whenever you get close to having this one off, make sure you reach under through here, hold it up, and then thread that off. So we got it setting here. Bring it around and out. And you can tell those have seen a little bit better days. They're rusty and they were making a lot of noise. Let me get the new ones out for y'all, let you see what they look like. I just got to open the box. Here are the new ones that do come with new nuts. I was going to reuse the other ones because I do like the factory nuts a little better, but since I dropped that one, if I can't find it, I'll just use these. They're just as good, but I like the factory ones better. They seem like they're better quality. So if you can, just use the factory ones, in my opinion. But choice is yours. You can use whichever one you want. So let me slide it underneath here and get it started. I'm going to do it the same way I took it out. Put it up in there, kind of hold it with your hand while you start the nut on the top. So I'm just going to kind of stick it in here, hold it with my left hand, start it with my right hand. Got them on. I just got to torque this last one right here, and they torque to 24 foot-pounds. I know it doesn't seem like a lot, but that's all that it says that it torques to. And now we got those. I'm going to get underneath here, stick that in there. Now, the way I had to do the other side, I had to get this long pry bar right here, stick it in either that little hole right there or underneath the frame section, and pry down while I start the bolt through there. It was a little tough doing it by myself, but if you got a friend or somebody to help you, I would recommend getting somebody in here to help you, because that will make life a whole lot easier. So I'm gonna get this started, and then once I get that started in there and all that, I'll bring you back and then I'll let y'all know what the torque specs are. I'm gonna show you how I get these to draw in. I just started them and I hit them, the head of them with a hammer just to get them in. But now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use my impact and run them in a little bit just until they touch, and then I'll come back and torque them. Got a hair more on the top. And now all I got to do is just torque them. And these right here torque to 94 foot-pounds. So I can get my torque wrench out and then I'll do that. Let me grab my torque wrench real quick. Okay, got my torque wrench set at 94. And kind of do it a few times because it's going to settle. Yeah, see, I just went probably about 1/8 of a turn on that last one. And now I'm going to do the bottom one. Alright, so both of those are torqued and tight. Well, that is pretty much it for putting struts in this. Pretty simple. You got 221 nuts, these 2 bolts, and you got 3 15mm nuts. And the new nuts on there were the same size as the old ones, so they kind of work. I could not find the one I dropped, so I just used the new ones up there. Y'all got anything, leave it in the comment section. You know, good, bad, ugly. I'll answer it either way. But also, if y'all got any questions about anything not just pertaining to this type of car, I'll help you out as much as I can. And something else, oh yeah, giveaway. I may introduce the giveaway video again, like on my Instagram and stuff, because I am doing the giveaway shirt, hat, stickers. Go comment on it. I'm gonna leave probably a link in the description just so everyone can go watch it, and all you gotta do is comment on it. That's the easiest way to win. But until next time, y'all remember, torque is tight. Y'all have a great day.